Hey, Papaw Johnny here. Uh, Thought I'd share some of my carvings with you today. I hadn't been on here in a while. You can find me on Facebook or on YouTube, Papaw Johnny Wood Carving and Fishing. So hang in there with me and I'll show you some of my carvings. So here is my latest one is the witch's broom. And then there's the old witch right there. And down here is one of my mountain men. Smoking a pipe. Here's some more mountain men. Might call this warlock. And this is Chief Feather Cloud. And down here, this is a wizard that I did. Old wizard. It's a hillbilly that I done. He got some eyes in there somewhere. And this is my Confederate soldiers. One has a rifle. And one has a sword. And down here is fisherman that I done. The lighting's not real good in here. I hope you see that. He's ready to do some fly fishing. There's another hillbilly I got. There's his eyes in there. Here's a mountain man Santa Claus. Yeah, they have Santa Claus up in the mountains. Here's a honey bear. And this is the Amish farmer that I done. That's some of my newer ones. And over here on this wall, I have some of my older ones. That's some wood spirits. And back here is a rooster carving that my daughter did. She's done pretty good work. She's a chip off the old block. And here's some of my other roosters I done. Old foghorn and leghorn. There's a bear that I did a while back. And this is an old pipe I done right here. And that I call Father Time. And here's another Indian. That's a flashlight. Ain't supposed to be there, but that's okay. And that might be, I don't know, that right there might be Joe Biden. I don't know. Anyway, down here I got some more. That was supposed to be Grandpa Jones there. He's looking for his banjo. That's an eagle I did. I just want to share some of these carvings with you. Up here I got snowman, wood spirit, Santa Claus. And so I hope you enjoyed that. And here's a wood spirit Santa Claus. And there's a